Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today's topic is about practicing patterns before teaching your child cursive handwriting. So as we all know, cursive handwriting is a style of writing where all the letters in a word are connected. Let's say apple, A-P-P-L-E. So let me show you. So in this way we write cursive letters. So before practicing cursive letters, it is also very important to teach your child patterns. So why patterns are important for your children? So patterns teach your child the movements essential for making single letters and then joining the letters together to form a word. So now I am going to show you different types of patterns that will really help your child to improve their cursive handwriting. So let's get started. Always make sure your child can identify each letter easily before introducing cursive letters. So now I am going to show you different patterns. So observe the patterns carefully. So demonstrate and then show your child how to form each pattern. After that, help your child to trace. Watch closely and if they make any mistakes, immediately correct the writing. And at the initial stage, hold your child's hand to help in tracing. Remember not to rush and observe the patterns carefully and help your child to practice before teaching them cursive. While teaching patterns, please sit beside your child and watch the way how your child is doing. So these patterns will help your child to practice the left to right and pencil pushes and pulls they need for forming letters. Pre-handwriting patterns are the first stage in supporting a child to handwriting success. So we are doing the last pattern. So as you can see, we have completed 11 patterns. So as we know, kids love to enjoy and do fun activity. So involve your child in fun activities when you teach. So now let's do some activities. So now I am going to show you some activities with patterns that you can do at your home. So you can do different tracing activities with patterns. So in my next video, I am going to show you how patterns will help your child to write cursive letters. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video.